Okay, so you have working cluster lights, as we can see here, but this is not lighting up. So the way to access this is you need a Phillips screwdriver. You need to get this bolt right here. So unbolt that, get that out. Keep in mind it's a very long bolt. Almost out. Okay, alright, bolt is out. So now you want to take this whole thing off. Basically what I like to do is turn all this off and pull out from the bottom. There's like a little insert right here for your fingers. Pull out here, and then this piece has to be the last piece to come out. So out. Okay, there you go. Now you have two connectors that you need to remove. So you grab these two, squeeze, and you pull off. So give me 1 second. Okay, and now the other one, you just twist it off. So in this case, you will twist it towards your right to remove. Okay. Now, you are left with this big piece. And you may wonder, where is this light bulb? Well, it's right here. This is the light bulb. And the way to take this out is have some pliers, but in this case I'll just be using these. So put it in this, hold up, squeeze, 1 second, grab this somehow. And there is your light bulb. That is it. You just pull it out, and there it is. That is all you need. Where is it? This is all you need to fix your lights, to make all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 light up once you turn on your cluster lights, so then they will glow as well. Thank you guys, please subscribe. Hope you guys learned something. Have a good day.